Hello students, I am just going to give you an idea to draw a graph of a line because it creates problem to find points on a line. We know that there are infinitely so many points on a line. Already in 9th class we have done that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It represents a line and there are three cases. Either line can be horizontal or it can be vertical or it can be oblique. So we will be discussing how to draw their graph within 2 minutes, because in certain cases there is problem to detect points on a line. There are three cases when a in this case is 0, a is 0, so it will be of the form minus c upon b, or say y is equal to k. And when b is 0, then it will be of the form say x is equal to k. And third case is when a and b are not equal to 0. In this case, when y is equal to k, for example, we are considering one case, say y is equal to 3. Now a condition on y is given, and when we are taking points on this, y is 3 in all the cases. So you can select any point of x. Easier case is 0, 1, 2. So these 3 points are on this line A, B, C. Point A is 0, 3, point B is 1, 3, C is 2, 3. Value of y is 3 in all the cases. When we are plotting this on graph paper, so this point is 0, 3, 2, 3, say 5, 3, and when we will be joining them, so in this case, at this it is 1, 2, 3, then 1, 3, and 2, 3. This line is a line parallel to x-axis and is known as horizontal line. Same is case with this x is equal to k, say x is equal to 4. Then now there is condition on x only. X will be 4 in all the cases. You can take any value of y. Again, say very easy value, set of easy values 0, 1, 2. So when we are joining point like this, it is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. It is A, say, and then 4, 1. This one, 4, 2 is this one. This line will be parallel to y-axis and is known as vertical line. Now there are two conditions. When A is 0, then line is always horizontal line. When B is 0, line is vertical line. These are very simple cases, but the major portion of this particular chapter is to draw oblique line. To collect points on that line, we know that infinitely there are so many points. So we are considering this 2, 3 cases. Say 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So when we are talking about collection of 3 points, some books are always expressing y in terms of x. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x over 3, or x can be expressed in terms of, but the thing is how to collect at least 3 points, or rather say 10 points on this line. So when we are talking about collection of points on this particular oblique line, so there is one very easy method. We know that slope of line is unique. Our problem is to find at least 3 points, but I am going to just give you one idea by which you can have 20, 30, 40, 50 desired number of points within minute without calculation. So in this case we put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then at y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Now the thing is how to find more points when information of one point is with us. Information of one point is with us. What we have to do now, for finding more values of x, go on subtracting the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y, 3 में से 3 subtract करेंगे, we will be getting 0, -3, -6, -9, -12 and so on. And for finding more points of y, if we are subtracting the coefficient of y, then go on adding coefficient of x, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is very important. How to have points on a line without calculation, all of them are correct. The thing is now we have so many points with us, A, B, C, D, E, F, like this, and process is going on. You can have 100 points. When we are plotting the graph of this line, there is no problem. We will be considering one more case.